Good morning, Honorable present here. Myself, Dr. P. Janagaratnam, Department of Mechanical Engineering. In my previous video series, I already discussed about the robotic system and how we are implementing the automation and flexible manufacturing system. Today, I am going to discuss about what kind of robotic systems are used in our implementation of automation, as well as how we are driving that kind of robotic system and all. Today I'm going to elaborately discuss. So this is the robotic drive systems empathize. First, a robot will acquire a drive system for moving their arm, wrist, and body. Actually, a robotic system is the combination of joints and links, as well as arms and wrist and body. There are different kinds of joints are used to move the obstacle from one place to another place, as well as the motions also. We have to produce the linear motion, rotary motion, and other kind of rotational motion. So how we are producing this kind of motion means we have to use any one kind of drive system. How we are driving this kind of robotic arm or wrist or body means the joints are moved by actuators powered by a particular form of drive system. A drive system can also be used to determine the capacity of a robot, because the drive system only determine the capacity of robotic speed, as well as how they can handle the object from one place to another place. So all these things are calibrated or calculated by using this kind of drive system. There are three different types of drive systems are available in our robotic system. Basically, in our third unit, we have to discuss about the different types of control systems like open loop, closed loop, hydraulic control, pneumatic control. As like these, here there are major three types of hydraulic drive systems are there. First one is for hydraulic drive system, second one is for pneumatic drive system, and third one is for electric drive system. In the hydraulic drive system, here we are using the entire hydraulic setup. Here the pressurized liquid is used as a fluid medium to operate this kind of robotic system. So the entire setup of hydraulic systems will be attached with the robotic system. That hydraulic system will drive the robotic force. And second one is for pneumatic drive system, which may be controlled by using this kind of uh, compressed air, which is used to control the operations or movement of the robotic system. Most probably, we have to use this kind of pneumatic drive system or the electric drive system. Electric drive system means we have to use the motors, electric motors, which will be attached to the wrist or arm or robotic system, which will be drive the entire robotic system. So this is the DT empathize. First, we have to collect what are all the basic systems are there. After that, we have to discuss about the different types of drive systems definition. Here, the hydraulic drive system means it is a hydrostatic drive or the transmission system that uses pressurized hydraulic fluid to power the hydraulic machinery. The basic components are required to develop this kind of hydraulic drive systems are electric motor, valves, filters, pipings, and the pump is the which is the heart of the hydraulic system. The actuators, which means we have to use either single acting or double acting cylinder, that is called known as actuators, which will produce the linear motion. The hydraulic motor or hydraulic cylinder, which is the actuators, which can operate our robotic systems. So this is the general hydraulic drive system. Here the generation of the energy, which will be based as hydraulic pump, which will pump the water level from the lowest to highest, so that can be easily drive the hydraulic system. So next one is for pneumatic drive system. So pneumatic drive systems basically used as the compressor. use air as a medium which is abundantly available and can be exhausted into the atmosphere, because in our hydraulic drive systems it will be again and again recirculated, and here the after usage of the compressed air will be directly sent into the atmospheric air, which will be used as a quick exhaust valve or other kind of systems. The pneumatic drive systems are especially used for the small types of robot which have less than 5 degrees of freedom. Wherever the motion less than 5 degrees of freedom means 5 axis rotation. So that kind of applications we have to prefer as an pneumatic drive system. These are all the basic components like compressor and FRL unit, which will be used to filter, regulator, and lubricator, which will control the or regulate the air level, and control valves and actuators. Actuators can drive the robotic systems. And next one is for the electric drive systems. So electric drive system, here the electric drive systems are capable of moving the robot with higher power or speed. Here the DC servo motors are stepping motors which will operate our robotic systems whenever the high speed or high revolution robotic movements are required, means we have to select this kind of electrical drive systems. So this is the general drive systems are used in our robotic system. So today class summarized regarding we have to discuss about the different types of drive systems are used in our society, how we are operating the robotic system and all discussed. So next class we have to discuss about the different types of sensor use are used in our robotic system as well as the automation system. Thank you.